Hello everyone, welcome to Diva Classes. This is Divya Vadwani and today we'll be doing the reason based questions for Macbeth act wise scene wise. Okay, तो the first one is act 3 scene 1 जिसमें सबसे पहला question कहता है that Macbeth asks Banquo about his afternoon plans कि वो उससे पूछता है कि उसके afternoon plans क्या हैं obviously because he wants to know कि Banquo कहाँ जा रहा है so that he can arrange for his murder. ओके ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं एंड इन दिस यू विल ऑल्सो बी फाइंडिंग आईएससी प्रीवियस ईयर के द स्पेसिफिक टाइटल आई हैव रिमूव्ड बट आईएससी प्रीवियस ईयर का पेपर के जितने भी आरबीक्यूज थे रीजन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस एंड द कम्पिटेंसी फोकस क्वेश्चंस और स्पेसिमेन के भी क्वेश्चंस इसमें इंक्लूडेड हैं. तो दिस इज़ अ कंप्लीट वन शॉट ऑफ ऑल द रीजन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस फॉर मैकबेथ दैट यू शुड बी नोइंग. ओके मैकबेथ हायर्स मर्डरर्स इंस्टेड ऑफ किलिंग बैंको हिमसेल्फ. वो मर्डरर्स को हायर करता है बैंको को खुद से मारने के बजाय बिकॉज ही डज नॉट वॉन्ट टू रेज सस्पिशन. बिकॉज और ये रीज़न वो देता भी है कि वो ये नहीं चाहते कि सब लोगों के बीच में सस्पिशन हो एंड ही वॉन्ट्स टू मेंटेन हिज नोबल रेपुटेशन एंड डज नॉट वॉन्ट टू लूज हिज कॉमन फ्रेंड्स जो बैंको और मैकबेथ दोनों के ही कॉमन फ्रेंड्स हैं. Then Macbeth also wants Fleance to be killed because Fleance is Banquo's son and Macbeth fears that he will fulfill the witches जो witches की prophecy थी that Macbeth you will be the king but Banquo's descendants will be the king. तो वो सच हो जाएगी इसीलिए Fleance का मरना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. And then द मर्डरर्स अग्रीड टू किल बैंको बिकॉज मैकबेथ ने उनको कन्विंस किया था कि इट इज़ बैंको हु इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द मर्डरर्स मिसफॉर्च्यून्स. ठीक है, बहुत छोटी छोटी सी चीज़ें बट आपसे एग्जैक्ट पूछा जाएगा कि क्या लिखना है आपको. मैकबेथ नो लॉन्गर इन्वॉल्व्स लेडी मैकबेथ इन हिज प्लान्स. वाई? बिकॉज ही इज़ बिकमिंग मोर इंडिपेंडेंट इन हिज एविल एक्शंस एंड नो लॉन्गर नीड्स हर इन्फ्लुएंस. ठीक है, फिर है रीज़न नेक्स्ट वन. दिस सीन इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. दिस एक्ट 3 सीन 1 इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. वाई? बिकॉज इट शोज मैकबेथ्स इंक्रीजिंग पैरानोया मीन्स इंक्रीजिंग इनसिक्योरिटी जिसके कारण ही वो आगे बढ़ता है और अपने जो वॉयलेंट एक्शन है उसको फुलफिल करता है. विलिंगनेस टू किल अगेन टू सिक्योर हिज थ्रोन. ठीक, तो एवरीथिंग इज डूइंग टू किल टू सिक्योर हिज थ्रोन. Macbeth refers to his crown as fruitless and his scepter as barren. Why? Because he has no children to inherit the throne, while Banquo's descendants are destined to rule by the prophecies of the witches. Then Act 3 Scene 2. Act 3 Scene 2. Macbeth sounds envious ऑफ द डेड डंकन. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन कि मैकबेथ क्यों ऐसा बोलता है कि डंकन इज़ एट अ बेटर प्लेस दैन अस. वाई? बिकॉज ही इज़ इन हिज ग्रेव. ही डज नॉट नीड टू फियर स्टील और पॉइजन रिबेलियन डोमेस्टिक. मतलब ये जितनी भी चीज़ें थी स्टील पॉइजन रिबेलियन डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस डोमेस्टिक और फॉरेन इन्वेजन ये जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं इसमें से कुछ भी डंकन को परेशान नहीं कर सकती हैं. डंकन इन हिज ग्रेव इज़ बियॉन्ड ऑल दीज थिंग्स हेंस ही इज़ एट अ बेटर प्लेस. ही इज़ एट पीस. ओके, देन एक्ट 3 सीन 2 में of the play Macbeth tells Lady Macbeth that he has scorpions in his mind. Why? Because his mental agony, his sense of guilt and the remorse as well as the insecurity affect him sharply. ठीक, मतलब उसके अंदर ये जितनी भी गिल्ट थी वो उसको ओवर पावर कर रही थी. मैकबेथ या फिर हम ये भी लिख सकते हैं मैकबेथ का माइंड वॉज फुल ऑफ वेरियस थॉट्स इंक्लूडिंग गिल्ट रिमोर्स एंड इनसिक्योरिटी. Then Lady Macbeth is anxious and restless in Act 3 Scene 2. Why? She feels unfulfilled after attaining the power and is disillusioned with the consequences. मतलब कि she knows she is not happy with whatever she is having with her. Then Macbeth feels that to be does is nothing. वो कह रहे मैकबेथ कहता है कि टू बी कमिंग टिल हियर आफ्टर किलिंग ऑल द पीपल इज नथिंग बिकॉज ही बिलीव्स लाइक ही कैन नॉट एन्जॉय द थ्रोन एज लॉन्ग एज बैंको उसका जो बच्चा है फ्लियांस वो जिंदा है तब तक मैं अपना थ्रोन एन्जॉय नहीं कर सकता. इवेंचुअली इट विल बी गिवन बैक टू देम. Lady Macbeth tells Macbeth to look like the innocent flower but the serpent under it because she wants him to be deceptive and appear harmless while secretly plotting the next move. ठीक. देन नेक्स्ट इज एक्ट 3 सीन 3, जिसमें फर्स्ट वन इज द एस्केप ऑफ फ्लियांस इन एक्ट 3 सीन 3 ऑफ द प्ले मैकबेथ इज सिग्निफिकेंट बिकॉज इट कीप्स अलाइव द विचेस प्रोफेसी दैट बैंकोज डिसेंडेंट्स विल इनहेरिट द थ्रोन. वो कह रहे हैं कि ये जो एस्केप है फ्लियांस का इन एक्ट 3 सीन 3 ऑफ द प्ले मैकबेथ इज सिग्निफिकेंट बिकॉज इट कीप्स, क्योंकि ये जो विचेस की प्रोफेसी है वो उसको सच करने के लिए दिस हैज़ टू बी डन. फ्लियांस इसीलिए भाग गया क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली इट वॉज डेस्टाइंड टू टेक प्लेस. मैकबेथ हायर्स मर्डरर्स टू किल फ्लियांस बिकॉज बैंको, ऑब्वियसली मैकबेथ के कुछ रीज़न से बैंको के डिसेंडेंट्स को इवेंचुअली उसको ख़त्म करना था क्योंकि जो प्रोफेसीज एज पर द प्रोफेसीज ऑफ द विचेस. देन फ्लियांस इज एबल टू escape the murderers because one of the murderers hesitates. Fliance manages to flee during the confusion of Banquo's deaths. ठीक. Then the failure to kill Fliance is a problem for Macbeth also because Fliance's survival means कि witches की जो prophecy है वो सच हो जाएगी. It threatens Macbeth's grip on the throne and it will make his reign insecure. Means उसका जो rule है वो हमेशा ही insecure रहेगा. He will remain in the डर forever. In Act 3, Scene 4 of the play Macbeth, Lady Macbeth dismissed the guests as the banquet without standing on any ceremony. In Act 3, Scene 4 of the play, Lady Macbeth dismissed the guests as the banquet without any standing on any ceremony. या फिर इसमें एक और द सेम क्वेश्चन इज बीइंग आस्क्ड कि एक्ट 3 सीन 4 ऑफ मैकबेथ में लेडी मैकबेथ हैड टू डिसमिस द गेस्ट. व्हाई? व्हाट वाज द रीज़न कि उसको जो बैंक्वेट सीन था उसको वहीं पर ही ख़त्म करना था बिकॉज शी वाज वरिड कि मैकबेथ वाज का जो आउटबर्स्ट है उससे गेस्ट सस्पिशियस हो जाएंगे उसकी मेंटल स्टेट का. एंड हो सकता है इसका भी कि द ब्लेम टू किल डंकन मे बी गोइंग ऑन मैकबेथ, वो हो सकता है वो सच भी बता दे. देन एक्ट 3 सीन 4 में इन कंट्रास्ट टू द अर्जेंट हॉरर ऑफ मैकबेथ्स एड्रेस टू द ग्रूसम अपैरिशन देर आर मोमेंट्स ऑफ कंपेरेटिव काम बिकॉज ही इज़ लूजिंग कंट्रोल ओवर हिज माइंड ड्यू टू द गिल्ट एंड द अपैरिशन ऑफ बैंको जो बार बार वहाँ पर आ जा रहा था. हैंस ही वॉज ऑल्सो लूजिंग हिज माइंड. ओके. देन Macbeth continues to react to Banquo's ghost because his guilt and his insecurity over the murder of Banquo are overwhelming him. तो इसीलिए वो बार बार insecure हो जा रहा था कि how come Banquo is sitting here. And then Lady Macbeth claims that Macbeth's strange behavior is caused by an illness because she is trying to hide the outburst and protect his image as a king. She is also afraid that Macbeth might disclose the evil that has been done. And what was that evil? That was the killing of King Duncan. The appearance of Banquo's ghost at the banquet symbolizes Macbeth's internal conflict because it reflects Macbeth's growing mental instability, inability to escape the guilt. तो इसमें बताया गया कि इसका बैंको का जो अपीयरेंस है एट द घोस्ट इट सिम्बलाइजेज मैकबेथ की इंटरनल कन्फ्लिक्ट बिकॉज मैकबेथ की जो ग्रोइंग मेंटल इंस्टेबिलिटी है दैट वाज शोन हेयर दैट ही कुड नॉट एस्केप. देन एक्ट 3 सीन 5. In Act 3 Scene 5, Macbeth, Hecate is angry with the witches. Very important. ठीक. Why? Because they helped Macbeth without consulting her and acted without her involvement, which undermines the authority and control over the situation. तो उसको नहीं participate करने दिया, उससे नहीं पूछा, उसके बिना सब कुछ किया, इसलिए Hecate is angry. Hecate comes across a vindictive spirit in Act 3 Scene 5. Why? Because she was not called to play a part and wishes to exploit his hubris and ambition. Hecate decides to mislead Macbeth with illusions. Why? Because she wants to create a false sense of security, ultimately leading to his downfall by over-exploiting his confidence. Then Hecate plans to deceive Macbeth further because she believes that Macbeth's growing ambition and paranoia will make him susceptible to manipulation. Just because कि वो already बहुत ज़्यादा insecure है, हम उसको थोड़ा सा भी श्योरिटी देंगे तो वो और इनसिक्योर हो जाएगा. दैट विल इवेंचुअली लीड टू हिज डिस्ट्रक्शन. देन Act 3 Scene 6 में of the play Macbeth, Lennox wishes for an angel to fly and seek help from the King of England because. तो Act 3 Scene 6 में Lennox कहता है कि there should some angel be there who can go fly to the King of England और वहाँ से कुछ मदद लेकर आ पाए, because he believes that Malcolm, who is presently in England, Duncan's son, is the rightful heir of the throne and the only one who can serve Scotland for Macbeth's tyrannical rule, because they were talking about Macbeth's tyrannical rule. तो उसको पता था कि it can only be Malcolm जो यहाँ का उसका इस throne को संभाल सकता है, not the unfit tyrannical Macbeth. Lennox expresses hope that Malcolm will get support from England. Reason behind, because Macbeth is unjust ruler who is responsible for the chaos in Scotland, and King Edward, he is a very nice person and he is a king of England, is a kind hearted person who has given asylum to Malcolm will surely help after knowing the present scenario of the Scotland. Then Lennox is critical of Macbeth's rule in Act 3 Scene 6 because Macbeth कह रहा है कि Lennox is critical of Macbeth's rule in Act 3 Scene 6 because Macbeth के जो rule है that has been marked by deceit, murder and violence. तो मतलब no one in Scotland likes Macbeth's rule. ठीक. Then is Lennox. Lennox discussion of Malcolm gathering an army in Act 3 Scene 6 indicates that the English forces are coming to help restore peace to Scotland under the leadership of Malcolm and Seward. ओके तो इसमें यही चीज़ बताई गई है दैट English forces are coming to help to restore peace into Scotland under the leadership of Malcolm and Seward. Then the discussion of Malcolm gathering an army in Act 3 Scene 6. It is significant because it shows that the nobles are starting to question Macbeth's rule. And we are further moving towards the scene of restoration also. ठीक. जो बिगड़ गया है बिकॉज ऑफ मैकबेथ वो कहीं ना कहीं जा कर के तो सही हो गई ना. देन Act 4 Scene 1, Macbeth returns to the witches in Act 4 Scene 1 because he is seeking further assurance about his future and wants to learn how to secure his kingship and what are the future plans also of the destiny. Then Act 4 Scene 1 of the play Macbeth gets angry at the witches when show him the vision of the line of kings because the vision reveals Banquo's descendants will inherit the throne instead of his own. ठीक. Then in Act 4 Scene 1, Macbeth says I'll make assurance double sure and take the bond of fate because he wants to ensure that he remains safe and secure in the position as a king by killing Macduff also. मतलब वो क्या कह रहा है, वो कह रहा है कि ठीक है यू आर टेलिंग मी ना Macduff से बीवेयर है ना, मैं इसको डबल श्योर कर दूंगा क्योंकि मैं खुद Macduff को मार दूंगा. Then Macbeth feels reassured by the prophecy that no one of a woman born shall harm him. तो उस चीज़ से वो थोड़ा सा reassure हो जाता है because it makes him believe कि उसकी जो defeat है वो impossible है for any man to be without a woman born because obviously everyone is woman born. Then Macbeth decides to have Macduff's family killed after hearing the witch's prophecy. Reason, he believes कि Macduff is a direct threat to the reign and he was warned to be aware of him, therefore he did not want to take any risk. तो वो Macduff की फैमिली सबको मारना चाहता है लेकिन eventually वहाँ पर उसको सिर्फ Macduff की फैमिली मिली and Macduff had run away just to call him back to kill him. उसका सबसे पहला प्लान यही था. Then Macbeth asked the witches for more information about his future because he fears losing the throne and he wanted to be assured about the kingship remains with him forever. Then Act 4 Scene 2. In Act 4 Scene 2, Lady Macduff's son that says that the liars, swearers and the fools liars and swearers are fools. Why? Because they are greater in number that they cannot hang the honest men. ठीक. Then Act 4 Scene 2, Macbeth, Lady Macduff describes her husband's flight to England as madness. वो कहती कि ये बहुत गलत चीज़ है. Why? Because Macduff left in haste. वो जल्दी से वहाँ से भाग गया. He left his family vulnerable to the onslaught of Macbeth विदाउट प्रोवाइडिंग एनी रेशनल एक्सप्लेनेशन. लेडी मैकबेथ से ना मिले, ना उसको कोई प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन प्रोवाइड करे, उसे अनप्रोटेक्टेड वहीं पर ही छोड़ करके ही हैज़ लेफ्ट लाइक अ कॉवर्ड और अ ट्रेटर. Ross comes and comforts Lady Macduff despite knowing the danger she faces because he wants to give her hope and reassure about Macduff's loyalty towards the country. Lady Macduff and her son were murdered. Why? Because Macbeth wanted to punish Macduff for fleeing and weakening his position by attacking his family. Then Act 4, Scene 3. In Act 4, Scene 3 of the play, Macbeth, Malcolm is suspicious of Macduff's intention. वो एक पूरी उनके बीच की कॉन्वर्सेशन होती है ना, जिसमें वो उसकी लॉयल्टी को टेस्ट करता है. ये वाला क्वेश्चन आई एक्सप्लेन्ड यू ऑल्सो. ठीक, तो अभी जो स्पेसिमेन करवाया था उसमें ये वाला क्वेश्चन मैंने पूछा भी था. तो वाई, वॉट इज़ द रीज़न बिहाइंड इट? He does not know whether Macduff is truly loyal to Scotland or if he is secretly aligned with Macbeth. Means he has been sent as a spy by Macbeth. In Act 4, Scene 3, Malcolm's observation that Macbeth hath not touched you, Macduff, yet is ironic because both are not yet aware that Macbeth's henchmen have slaughtered the entire family of Macduff. तो वो उससे पूछता है मैल्कम कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि मैकबेथ ने अभी तक तुमको टच भी नहीं किया, मीन्स तुम्हें मारा भी नहीं है, क्योंकि दोनों ही नहीं अवेयर थे कि मैकडफ की फैमिली को मार दिया गया ऑलरेडी. इन एक्ट 4 सीन 3 ऑफ मैकबेथ, मैल्कम विलफुली टेंट्स हिज ओन कैरेक्टर because he wants to be assured of the integrity, patriotism and true intentions of Macduff by testing him. Then in Act 4, Scene 3 of Macbeth, Malcolm says that angels are bright still, though the brightest fell. Because why? Because he says that Satan, the god's best angel, rebelled against him, and Macduff, in spite of his apparent integrity and loyalty to the country, can do the same with Malcolm and join the hands with Macbeth. ठीक, ये इसी का एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर वो देता है that Lucifer, God's best angel, rebelled against him. Macduff can do the same with Malcolm and join the hands with Macbeth. Then Macduff vows revenge against Macbeth because the murder of his family by Macbeth is a personal betrayal and he is consumed by grief and anger. Macduff feels guilty for leaving his family unprotected because he believes that by leaving Scotland and not being there with his family, he has contributed to their deaths. Malcolm encourages Macduff to channel the grief because he wants Macduff to use his emotions and anger as a motivation to fight with Macbeth and kill him. ठीक, फिर Ross hesitates before telling Macduff about his family's death because he knows how devastating the news for Macduff and he does not want to cause him any unnecessary pain. Okay, then next, Macduff's reaction to the family's murder becomes a turning point because his grief and rage push him to become the central figure in the effort to overthrow Macbeth. Then 10th one, Malcolm and Macduff decide to reunite against Macbeth along with the King England army. ठीक, because they both realize कि Macbeth's reign is destructive for Scotland and they must work together to defeat him. Then Act 5 Scene 1, जिसमें सबसे पहले बोलता है कि in Act 5 Scene 1 of the play, Macbeth, the doctor says this disease is beyond my practice, that is a sleepwalking scene, because Lady Macbeth's condition is a result of her own intense psychological turmoil and guilt. वो जो उसके inner guilt भरा हुआ है उसके कारण ये हो रहा था, that cannot be treated any medical remedies. Now Lady Macbeth tries to wash her hands repeatedly because she is overwhelmed with guilt and she believes that the blood stains from her from her role in Duncan's murder cannot be removed, symbolizing her inability to get rid of her guilt conscience. The gentlewoman is hesitant to reveal Lady Macbeth's sleepwalking behavior because she is concerned about the potential scandal and shame it may bring, especially considering Lady Macbeth's high status. मतलब even though she knows कि hesitant to reveal Lady Macbeth's sleepwalking behavior because she is concerned कि ये जो potential scandals shame है कि अगर मैं बाहर बता देती हूँ तो it may bring troubles to the lady only. Then Lady Macbeth's sleepwalking scene reveals her guilt because while unconscious, even though she is not in her senses, she relives the horrors of the murders and she and Macbeth has committed, showing how deeply her conscience is troubled and how bloodshed haunts her. Now, during sleep, Lady Macbeth says, "Oh damned spot," means because she is trying to remove the imagined blood stains from her hands ऐसे ऐसे करके and symbolizing the futile attempt to cleanse herself from the guilt she feels after the involvement in Duncan's murder. Then Act 5 Scene 2 according to Angus, Macbeth has begun to feel his secret murderers are weighing heavily on his conscience. Reason behind every minute passing is reminding him of his own treason murderous deeds. The Scottish nobles are plotting against Macbeth. Reason behind कि his tyrannical rule caused widespread suffering and unrest in Scotland. Then Macbeth's power is weakening according to the Scottish nobles in Act 5 Scene 2 because many of the supporters, including the Scottish nobles, are abandoning him and joining forces with Malcolm. The Scottish nobles the question says a Scottish noble feels Macbeth's reign has been disastrous for the Scotland because of the suffering and chaos his tyrannical actions have caused throughout the kingdom. ठीक है. Then Act 5 Scene 3 Macbeth dismissed the news of advancing army because he still trusts the witch's prophecy कि that the forest will not move. वो जो जब उसको न्यूज़ आती है that the Birnam woods are moving towards Dunsinane and hills, तो he is still trusting the witch's prophecy, believing कि forest does not move and he will be safe until the Birnam wood comes to Dunsinane. Macbeth shows his little concern, very little concern for Lady Macbeth's condition because he is already preoccupied with battle और वो कहता है कि she should have died at a later time and focusing solely on the immediate threat of Malcolm's army. Even though he becomes philosophical and further says that life is but only a meaningless thing. ठीक. The doctor says that he cannot cure Lady Macbeth because her condition is not physical ailment but result of the guilt and the mental distress which cannot be healed through medicine but only prayers. Macbeth orders the doctor to cure Lady Macbeth because he is desperate and believes that the mental state is a hindrance to his efforts, but he is more focused and on his situation and well-being. Then Act 5 Scene 4 Malcolm instructs his soldiers to cut down the branches from Birnam wood because he wants to disguise, very important, he wants to disguise the size of the army, the number of the people that are advancing towards Dunsinane Hills, number of soldiers that are advancing, and to confuse Macbeth's spies. Then Malcolm feels confident about his plan to attack Dunsinane. Why? Because he knows Macbeth's forces are weak and several nobles have joined his side. Then Seward supports Malcolm in his fight against Macbeth because Seward is a loyal ally of Malcolm and he believes that Macbeth's rule has caused chaos in Scotland. The movement of Malcolm's soldiers with branches is significant because it fulfills the witch's prophecy that Macbeth would be defeated until Birnam wood moves to Dunsinane. ठीक है. Then Act 5 Scene 5 Macbeth feels that the life is meaningless after hearing the news about Lady Macbeth's death. Abhi I told you, because he realizes that life is fleeting and ultimately insignificant comparing it to the tale told by an idiot. फिर Macbeth is shocked when he hears Birnam Wood is moving towards Dunsinane because the witch's prophecies prophesied that Macbeth would only be defeated, and which he believed impossible, and now his belief is shattered and he is just using bad words for witches कि अब उन्होंने मुझे, and these are the मतलब deceptive pieces of art. Then Macbeth decides to fight after realizing that witch's prophecies is coming true, because he refuses to surrender and chooses to die fighting, holding on his pride and his warrior spirit. Macbeth says she should have died hereafter when he hears about Lady Macbeth's death, because he feels numb and detached. He says that death is inevitable and life has no true meaning. Moreover, presently he focuses more on the battle than the death of Lady Macbeth. He thinks that it is the wrong time for her to die. Then Act 5 Scene 6, Malcolm and his army cut branches from Birnam Wood in Act 5 Scene 6 because they need to disguise a number of forces that are moving towards Dunsinane. This we have already done. Then in Act 5 Scene 6 focuses on the soldiers marching with branches, because it emphasizes the fulfillment of the witch's prophecy that Macbeth will be defeated when Birnam Wood moves towards Dunsinane. The army led by Malcolm appears confident as they advance towards Macbeth's castle, because they have the support of the Scottish nobles and the support of Seward. ठीक है. Then Act 5 Scene 7, Macbeth continue to fight despite knowing the odds against him, because he believes in the witch's prophecy that no man born of a woman can harm him, making him invincible. And then Macduff reveals that he was not born of a woman in the usual way, because he want to show Macbeth that he is the one who will defeat him, proving the witch's prophecy wrong. Then Macbeth refuses to surrender to Malcolm's army. The reason behind that, he is determined to die fighting and refuses to accept the reality of his impending death. Holding on the belief of his invulnerability, the death of young Seward is significant because it shows Macbeth's continued strength and ferocity, even though defeat is inevitable, especially emphasizing the tragic hero's stubbornness, that how violent, how fierce is he. In Act 5 Scene 8 of the play Macbeth, Macbeth initially refuses to fight Macduff because he feels guilty of having already caused enough harm to Macduff by murdering his family. In Act 5, Macbeth is not scared of the cry of woman because his mind was used to murderous thoughts that nothing can startle him anymore. ठीक है. In Act 5, Lady Macbeth, oblivious to who is around her, says, ये अच्छा पहले वाला है, because she is sleepwalking and uttering these words in her sleep, unaware of who is around her. Then next, Macbeth changes his mind and decides to fight Macduff despite knowing that he will likely lose, because he refuses to surrender and would rather die fighting than face humiliation. Macduff is able to defeat Macbeth despite the witch's prophecy. This is important because Macduff was born by cesarean section, meaning that he was from his mother's womb untimely ribbed, and hence they die. ठीक है. Now this entire I am sending you on this document entirely I am sending you on Telegram. So keep preparing. Best wishes. Thank you.